Hi everyone, Best Hair here. Thank you guys for joining me. This is a little something different. I am actually doing a vlog, and I'm doing a vlog of a trip that I'm going on. And I'm super excited to share this with you guys, but I can't share it with you until after I get back. So I am doing the vlog so that I can tell you all about it in the process, and then I will put it together and share it with you when I get back from my trip. So if that interests you at all, stay tuned. Alright, so here I am in bed in my pajamas. It is a little bit after 10 o'clock, and I finally have my luggage all packed and ready to go. And my exciting news is that I am going to Beverly Hills, California as the Paula Young brand ambassador. And this opportunity came up super fast. Literally, it was after Labor Day when I talked to my contact at Paula Young. And Jaclyn Smith does something every year for her wigs, where she meets with cancer patients or she meets at hospitals and so forth. With COVID restrictions, those plans for her wasn't possible. She talked to my contact at Paula Young that I work with. Her name is Deb, and said, what can we do? And Deb said, well, I've got something that you can do. She said, why don't you talk to Beth about her hair loss story and her journey? And Jaclyn agreed. So, you guys, this is crazy. I am so completely shocked, and I am trying not to be nervous. So I think it's about a 4-hour plane ride from Minnesota to LAX is where I'm flying into, and then I will meet Deb from Paula Young at LAX. She is flying in from Massachusetts. So we're getting in around the same time, and then we will Uber together to the hotel, and we are staying in Beverly Hills. So yeah, this small town Minnesota girl is going to Beverly Hills. That is insane. And this is going to be a lightning trip. So we are meeting Jaclyn Smith and Jose Eber, the celebrity hairstylist. Shake your head, darling. So Jose, he designs the wigs, or he cuts the styles, basically, from what I understand. He cuts it and styles it for Jaclyn. And then that is the prototype that is then made, and those are then produced in the factories in Indonesia. And then those are, of course, sent to Paula Young because she is exclusive to Paula Young. So we fly in, and then tomorrow night, I'm meeting them for dinner, and Jaclyn and Jose will be interviewing me about my hair loss story and what led me to Paula Young, what led me to Jaclyn Smith wigs, and so on and so forth. So it should be interesting. So we're going to do a pre-meet on Wednesday night for dinner, kind of go over that a little bit, and then on Thursday, Deb and I will head out to Jaclyn Smith's Beverly Hills home. Yes, you heard it right, you guys. I know. My mind is blown. I'm numb. So when I meet them for dinner on Wednesday night, I'll be wearing Bridget in the caramelized brown rooted. So I thought that would be a great wig to wear for the first meeting, and I will probably wear that to her house on Thursday when we go to start filming for the interview. But I, Jose is going to style me up. And he is going to style me in a new Jaclyn wig that I will debut for you guys. And I am so excited. So let me tell you about this wig. It's the prototype. It's one of a kind. So there were none available when this was sent out. And Deb said, do you want me to send it to you or should I send it straight to Jaclyn? And I said, send it straight there. I don't want to be responsible because the other wigs are in production of this style and they are still being produced in the factory. So this was the only one that was available, which was the one in the photo shoot. So you guys will see that and you will have already seen those new sneak peek Jaclyn Smith wigs. So yeah, so I'm super excited about that. I also am bringing 4 other Jaclyn Smith styles, which are already there. Those are new in the box, and then Jose will put those on me and zhuzh them up, and then I will come out and talk to Jaclyn a little bit more about it, and then I'll do that with 4 more. So that is super exciting. I can't believe it. It's not a photo shoot. I'm not a model. It's nothing like that. It's just Jose showing some of the different styles, and then we'll talk about the styles and kind of what his inspiration is for creating the styles and so forth. So that's going to be really fun to hear it right from the person who is creating these wigs or creating the styles, I should say. And how cool is that we have a Beverly Hills celebrity hairstylist that's creating these wigs. You guys, I hope I don't get lost. Like, I haven't flown for ages, and I haven't flown by myself for, oh my gosh, like 35 years. So I don't know. I hope I don't get lost even in my airport, MSP, and I hope I don't get lost in LAX, but so I can follow directions. I figure I'm 53 years old. I made it this far in life. I'll figure that out. And anyways, then that's it. So things will be a wrap on Thursday. We'll, do the filming for a couple hours. I think we're meeting at Jaclyn's at around 10:15. So I can't really do any of the vlogging when I'm at the restaurant or those sorts of things. It would not be proper etiquette whatsoever to be like, oh, selfie people, so no, I can't do that. But I will vlog sort of how I'm feeling, and I am going to show you guys what I'm wearing, and I will film that. I bought some clothes from Shein, so I'll film that for you to show you what I'm wearing, and that will be exciting for me because you guys are my cheerleaders and I love you all so much. So I'm super excited about that. And then I fly back Friday morning. I think my plane leaves LA at like 8 o'clock in the morning or something. But I won't even get home here back to Minnesota, back to my house until probably 5:30 on Friday night. So yeah, so exciting. I'm trying not to psych myself out. I just want to be able to stay calm so that I can speak. When Jaclyn asks me a question, I want to be able to answer and sound somewhat intelligent. So hopefully I'm not too tongue-tied, and I'll be letting you guys know how all that goes. And I don't know, we might have a couple hours to kill when we get to the airport, when we get to LA tomorrow. So if we do, we might just do like a little bus tour around and see Rodeo Drive and like maybe the Hollywood Walk of Fame or the Hollywood sign, or I don't know, some celebrity mansions or something. So if we have time, we'll do a quick trip before we go to dinner. So I am totally going back kind of here, there, and everywhere. But you guys, that's where my brain is. I have been at work, and we are so busy right now. You know, I work in Parks and Recreation, and fall, Minnesota, we have so many things planned, and we have a big art community, and we just had a huge sculpture unveiling, and so it's been really fun, and I love my job, but it's been really busy, and this is actually the perfect time for me to go. This was Jaclyn's choice that worked best for her, and so but it actually works really good for me because we have a lot going on in October, and then a week from Saturday is my niece's wedding in Duluth. So if you guys watched my nephew's wedding, this is his sister that's getting married. So my mom and my sisters thought I should wear the green dress for this wedding because it's in October in Duluth, Minnesota, and the fall colors and so forth. So I probably will wear that green dress that I had as one of my choices for that wedding. So, oh, life is crazy. And you know Colton, he is busy, busy, busy. So he keeps me hopping. His mom is here. Samantha came for a couple days now while I'm going to be out in LA, so that's good. So that'll be some good bonding time for the two of them. So I will kind of keep you posted along the way, but again, I promised Deb that I wouldn't let the cat out of the bag until after we do the interview. So, and all of you are the reason why I'm doing this. So thank you so much, you guys, and I can't wait to tell y'all about it. All right, see you soon. All right, so it's about 6:20 in the morning. I am all packed, and my husband just put my suitcase in the car, and my carry-on the car is warming up because we have frosty windows. It was cold overnight, so we have frost on the windows, and I've got a sweater, but I have a t-shirt underneath, so I can take that off because I'm sure that it's going to be hot when I get into California. I think it was going to be in the upper 80s. So anyhow, we're just headed off. He's going to drop me off to meet the airport shuttle, and hopefully everything goes okay and I don't get stuck in traffic. I am wearing Bridget in the color Wildflower Honey, and of course, drama already this morning. Little Colton's not feeling good. He was up here crying, and I got him some Motrin and some apple juice. So he is sitting on the couch with a blanket, and I'm gonna let him and his mom decide if he's going to school. And so we'll see. He's giving me the puppy dog eyes, but so I don't know. I'm like, I'll be back in 2 days. It's just fine. You're going to be just fine. So, all right, you guys. I'll keep you posted on how it's going. Bye-bye. All right, everyone. I am here at LAX, and I am just waiting to meet my contact from Paula Young, and then we are going to get an Uber to the hotel. So it was a super easy plane ride, and super easy to navigate my way through the airport, which was something that I was worried about, but everything is super well marked, so it's great. All right, I'll keep you posted. Here I am in Beverly Hills at the Marriott, and this is my room, and I just got ready. I am going out to dinner to meet up with Jose Eber and Jaclyn Smith. I am wearing Bridget from Jaclyn Smith collection, and this one is in caramelized brown rooted. And I also wanted to show you my cute outfit, and I got my outfit from Shein. So I'll do a little modeling for you guys. Phew, so that's a wrap, you guys. I just did 5 wigs and an interview with Jaclyn Smith and Jose Eber, and it was totally a fabulous experience. And now we're just gonna go on a little Hollywood bus tour. So I'm excited for that. And I'll tell you all more about it later, and I'll have lots of pictures and lots of videos. This has been truly amazing. And Bridget, Wildflower Honey. It's been a big hit today. See ya. All right, we wrapped up interviewing today, went on a fun Hollywood tour, and now tonight is our last night on the town. We are going out to eat at Craig's in Beverly Hills, and we had Jaclyn's team pull some strings so that we could get reservations. So we have late reservations at 9:30 for dinner, and then we have to leave for the airport, I think, about 5:30 tomorrow morning. But it has been absolutely fabulous, so wonderful. You guys, Jose was amazing. He's just like, fabulous darling, lovely darling, shake it darling, you're a magician. It was pretty awesome, and Jaclyn is so warm and beautiful and lovely. It was just a fabulous time, and I will tell you all more about it, but wow, it was really amazing. So I'm excited. So night out on the town, I am wearing the braided low pony in Rosewood. I figured I was pulling out the long girl for going out to eat tonight. All right, I'll see you guys really soon. Bye-bye.
Hi, Beth. You are our brand ambassador for Paula Young wigs. It's great to have you here.
I just never in my wildest dreams would I have imagined that I would be sitting here and talking about your gorgeous Style by Jaclyn Smith wig collection at Paula Young.
Are you wearing a wig now?
Yes, as a matter of fact, I am. Of course, from your collection.
I would never have clocked it.
It looks
Really.
amazing.
It looks very natural. I love those wave and curls, and I love your hair color. I mean, your hair color, the wig hair color.
It's funny. I hear you're super passionate about wigs, especially Style by Jaclyn Smith, which makes Jose and I very, very happy.